Today is Saturday. We are here at the DuBois Center. This is W.E.B DuBois Memorial Center for Pan-African Culture, Ghana. You can locate DuBois Center at Labone, and here has a historical program that we all can learn more about. Today actually have been Saturday, where the whole compound looked empty, but soon we are going to visit the Sowgreen Farmers Market. But for the meantime, we are just introducing you into the DuBois Center compound. The DuBois Center is full of history. As you can see for yourself, we are giving you a clear view so that you can read things for yourself. This is the returning program, and as we have promised you, we have a lot of activities to show to you, serious education programs. Because anytime you visited Ghana, there are very important places you are supposed to see and to have a serious education about. Here is one of the favorite places you love to come, and that's why I bring you here to have a critical look at the history behind most of the legend. As you can see, we are still looking around. The place looks very quiet. This is W.E.B DuBois, 1868 to 1963. We will, anything we are showing you now on our channel seems to be the fundamental, or can say the basic, because very soon we'll come and give you the details about the museum and what is actually happening here in the DuBois Center. This is the museum. This is the entrance, and as I said it, we cannot get access to go in because it's Saturday. Here is the administration. Yes, here's the administration of the DuBois Center. And when you come in, you first have to get into the administration. And when you get in here, this is a place to be, to have a self-education anytime you visited Ghana. As I'm saying, we soon visited the Sowgreen Farmers Market, but we are still at the, which is within the DuBois Center, but we are still introducing you into the DuBois Center compound. This is our lovely channel, Returning. And as you can see where I am standing, this is one of the greatest symbols. That means a lot in terms of creation. And it's a a symbol with a great meaning. As you can see, what we have here also is the Africa American Association of Ghana. So you can see for yourself, here is African American Association of Ghana, right in W.E.B Center. And as you can see, we are very close to the farmers market. Very soon we'll go close and see what they have and what activities are actually going on during Saturday on their part. But as at now, we are still looking around the DuBois Center, some of the signs and some of the buildings. Oh. Okay, now let's get close to the farmers market and see how the whole thing began here. We are going close to the farmers market. We are here very early, so we have to see the setup of the whole program. We'll be talking to the director himself. What's actually going on the farmers market day. As I'm telling you, the market's about to set up. You can see preparation I've been doing. So anytime you come to Ghana, just have in mind there are special places to be buying good foodstuffs from. And as I'm saying, because we are here very early, the cars are here now to discharge the foodstuffs and they are ready for the market. Okay, welcome, sir. We are returning channel and we have heard a lot about the farmers market. We are here on the 9th May as the market has come back and want our viewers to know what actually we have for our viewers. But please, can you tell us your name and tell us what actually happening here?
My name is Kobina Hudson and I am the owner and proprietor of Sowgreen Organic Farms. The farms are in Ayim in the eastern region and we grow about 40 different items, vegetables and fruits and herbs. And we bring our stuff to market in Accra every Wednesday and Saturday. So everything that you see here this morning has either been harvested yesterday or early this morning. Typically, the pineapples, the sweet potatoes, the yams, the lemons, the avocados are harvested the day before the market, but all the fresh greens, and we have spring onions here, Swiss chard, collard greens, mustard greens. We have some kale, arugula, pak choy, and what is this? We also have green lettuce here, and we have some amaranth, contombre, and alefu here. You can come and see it. It's always open. You're welcome to walk to the farm anytime. And then we also try and get other local producers and farmers who don't import all the ingredients, and we also try and sell their stuff. Like this lady makes coffee, and it's coffee from the Volta region. It's the beans are grown in the Volta region. So I also try and promote other farmers that grow locally. We don't export any of our stuff. Everything is for the local. It's for the local market. It's for Ghanaians only.
It's for Ghanaians only, but it seems.
Well, no, sorry, not for Ghanaians only. Okay. It's for people in Ghana. It's for people in Ghana. I'm sorry.
So what will you tell the returnees actually about farmers market?
I'll tell the returnees that you have a safe source for fresh vegetables. I know a lot of people are worried about what is used to grow the vegetables. Over here at Sowgreen Market, you can come and see where your farm is grown. You can actually come, you can hold the stuff, and then you can talk to us about the stuff, about how we grow the stuff.